With the power of blockchain technology and its vast application to an enterprise, more and more companies are putting desperate efforts to learn, get trained, and deploy new innovative, disruptive business processes. Implementing blockchain technologies in an enterprise is complex, time-consuming, and expensive. Complicated integration with enterprise APIs across multiple technologies with blockchain in the mix, companies spend thousands of hours on costly super nerds with no easy way to apply this technology. What if there is a platform which can solve all these problems and bring rapid integration to enterprises? Introducing Catenis Flow, a super intuitive, code-free, blockchain application assembly platform based on Node-RED. For enterprises who wish to design enterprise-grade applications or just a proof of concept, with Catenis Flow's second-layer technology, enterprises no longer require expensive experts. Quickly wire enterprise-grade blockchain APIs packaged in drag-and-drop nodes. This means that customers can now focus on creating truly innovative business solutions that focus on the business value of blockchain and spend less time and resources on integration tasks typically needed to build disruptive, decentralized solutions. Combining the power of Catenis Enterprise with the world's most powerful flow assembly platform, Node-RED, no innovative application is out of reach. All you do is bring your business team and technical experts who can do Visio-style process mapping and leave the rest to Catenis and Node-RED. Test, build, and deploy rapidly. Iterations are a snap. For pilots or production apps, our API management hubs combined with thousands of industry-ready node connectors, this opens up a world of opportunities. Hence, if your business case requires integration with IoT devices, big data apps, or simply SQL databases, Catenis Flow has you covered and enhances enterprise-grade security. What's more, Catenis Flow empowers the public Bitcoin blockchain, insight of transaction data at a global footprint, deliver content of any size with the ability to permission and secure systems across the planet represented by public addresses. With millisecond transaction speeds, dynamic generation, and transfer of smart assets, intelligent contracts are now unleashed. With Catenis Flow, you can reduce your design and development phase by an average of 70%, with integration efforts reduced to an average of 85%. Blockchain of Things understands that individual business requirements are very individual and hence keeps expanding on its range of API connectors, while the active Node-RED community continues to deliver thousands of connectivity modules. Welcome to Catenis Flow, where speed of innovation is increased and complex tasks are made easy, so you can spend time concentrating on business value, leaving the technical challenges to us. For more details and a demo, please visit www.blockchainofthings.com.